Hello, welcome everybody. This is Satish from SG Multimedia, and today we are going to see how the list view is created inside our Android Studio. Like this, we have created a list view of these items. When we click, we get toast. So let's get into Android Studio. So I'm creating a new project. So I'm calling it as a list view example. And activity and finish. Okay, now we have done with the Gradle build. So let's go to our layout file activity.main.xml. So I'm converting this constant layout to the relative layout. So I'm removing this text view and creating a new list view, and width should be a match parent and height also match parent, and we need to set id for this list view. I'm setting id for list view. We have done with the list view, and after this inside our Java main activity file, we need to create an object of a list view. So list view, and I am naming it as a list view, and inside our onCreate method we need to initiate these objects. So list view is equal to find view by id r.id dot list view, and after this basically we are creating a list view of a array of a string. So I am creating a new string array, and for this array I am naming it as a titles, and I am initiating this array with the names like Android, Apple, whatever we are, just for example SG developers, and last thing we need is that Google, and we have created a string array. After this what we need is that for these strings we need adapter, array adapter. So I am creating a new array adapter of type strings, and I'm naming it as a adapter, and is equal to new array adapter, and inside this we need to pass the four parameters, that is context, that is get application context, and after this we need to pass the layout, but we are not creating a layout, we are using layout which is already present inside our Android. So I am using Android dot r r for the resources, and layout dot simple list item 1. Yes, and after this we need to pass our string, whatever we have created here. we need to pass here, so I am passing it as a titles. And after this, what we need for our list view, we need to set adapter for this, and where I am passing this adapter to the list view, so adapter, and we have done with this. So let's check our application on Android emulator. Now it is installing the APK, and we have launched our application, and as you can see, we have created a list view. Inside this, whatever we have written inside our string array, that is displaying into our list view. So next thing we are going to do is that for this item, when we click on this, we need to show a toast to the user. So let's start. For this list view, we need to set on click listener for on item click listener, sorry, item click listener, and I'm creating on item listener, and inside this method, what we need is that we need to show user as a toast. So inside this toast, I'm simply showing a toast for clicked, and for this click, what we are passing here is that we need to pass uh, number for this item. So after this, let's check our application. As you can see here a toast for clicked item 3. So basically it is showing I am clicking on the item number 4, that is Google, but it is showing me a 3. It is because we know inside our array index number always starts with the 0. So when I'm click on Android, it is showing click 0. So when you want to show the user as a this is the first, so you can simply use the logic that I plus 1. So thank you guys for watching this video.